If you want to know how to send a voice message on Telegram, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can record and send a voice note in just a few seconds. This is perfect when you don't want to type a long message and would rather just speak naturally. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop and go to the chat where you want to send the voice message. This can be a private chat, a group chat, or even a channel message thread if voice messages are supported there. Once you're inside the conversation, look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. Right next to it, you'll see the microphone icon. This is the button you'll use to record your voice message. Now, here's the important part. Click and hold the microphone icon to begin recording. As soon as you press and hold it, Telegram will start capturing your voice. While you're holding the button, simply speak your message clearly and at a normal pace. You can say whatever you need, whether it's a quick update, a reminder, or a longer explanation. Try to stay close enough to your microphone so your voice sounds clear and easy to understand. When you finish speaking, release the microphone icon. The voice message will send automatically as soon as you let go. That makes it very fast and convenient, especially when you're on the move or multitasking. If you make a mistake or decide you don't want to send the recording, Telegram also gives you an easy way to cancel it. Before releasing the microphone button, just drag your cursor or finger away from the microphone icon. Once you move away, you can let go without sending the message. This is useful if you started recording by accident or if you want to re-record your message before sending it. And that's all there is to it. To send a voice message on Telegram, open the chat, hold the microphone icon, speak your message, and release to send. If needed, drag away before releasing to cancel the recording. Simple, fast, and super easy to use. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick guide.